Hi everyone, this is my first video on random stuff 3702, and yeah, so I'll be showing you the disassembling of this chapstick. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna pull off this bottom twisty part if I even can. I almost did it before. You just gotta put your fingers under there. If you have nails, this will be easy. Oh, look it! It's a little screw. So this is what it looks like. I mean, you can all put this back together. And see, this is what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, I pulled out the center. Ew. I'll just do that in the trash. Okay. So, you can pretty much see through it. I don't know how well you can, but you can see through it if you're looking at it from my angle. So, yeah, I just disassembled my favorite. It's not my favorite. I picked a bad one. I just disassembled my chopstick. So, to put it back in, you push and turn. And my chapstick is stuck down there. So luckily I picked a bad one. This is fun to do with like old ones, you know. ITT Technical Institute, education for the future. For your campus tour, call 800-207-1347. Every year I try to give gifts that feel personal. But it still works and all, like. A place for her constant fashion advice. It still works. Appreciated. Put that back on. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my disassembling of my chapstick. Like, it is one of your favorite ones. I mean, it's okay because you can always put it back together. So yeah, this was my first time actually ever taking it apart. Because one time I was in school and I was playing with the bottom and I was like, no, it's gonna fall off. And yeah. I thought of it, and I was like, that would be great for a good video on a new channel. Oh, yeah, if you like crafting and clay and stuff like that, go check out my other channel. It's just called Lindsay Hoy, which I will change because I don't really like it. So, yeah, bye. Actually, it's going to be called Crafty Banana. So, yeah, bye.